This amazing red hot dish here is red chili chutney, which we call as ranjka in Kannada. This is prepared by using red chilies which we get in season. You can also prepare it with dried red chilies, but this tastes the best. The red chilies that you select for this recipe should not have any cuts or any insects, so select them carefully. Wash the red chilies 2 to 3 times, dry them on a cotton cloth, and only after that remove the stem of the green chilies. Don't remove the stem and then wash, it will spoil the recipe. These are about 200 grams of fresh red chilies. To prepare ranjka, we will need half spoon of hing or asafoetida, salt, 1 and 1/2 spoon of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, and lemon juice. Lemon juice and salt we will need more than this. We will first fry the methi seeds and the hing. For that we will take 1 and 1/2 or 2 spoons of oil, then heat it. Once it is heated, we will add the methi seeds. Once the methi seeds become golden brown, we will switch off the flame and then add the hing. Mix it well. Now let this mixture cool down by itself. To a mixer jar, we will add all the red chilies and grind it to a very coarse paste. At this point, we will add the remaining ingredients. First, we will add salt. You will have to use some more salt for this recipe. And now I am squeezing in 1 and 1/2 lemon for now. Now we will add the fried methi and hing mixture. Mix it well and grind to a fine paste. In between the grinding process, I have added some more salt and squeezed some more lemons. And the hot ranjka is ready now. We will see how to store this for a long time. For a longer shelf life, you can store it in a glass bottle, ceramic boxes, or the traditional bharnis. First, layer the container with salt. Then add a thick layer of the ranjka prepared. Now again layer it with salt. Also you can squeeze lemon juice here. Again one more thick layer of the ranjka. And again we will layer with salt and lemon. Don't worry for using excess salt and lemon, it will balance all the taste and they act as preservatives. Add one more layer of salt. The layers depend upon what quantity you have prepared. Now just close it and you can keep it in some dry place. You need not refrigerate, it won't spoil for at least 1 year. Right now it will be very hot to taste, so wait for at least 1 week to enjoy this with your food. Enjoy this hot ranjka with almost every food. It may be poha, upma, chapati, rice, pulao, anything. It tastes amazing. I hope this recipe will amaze your taste buds. Thanks a lot for watching.